So we are here at the duotone.shapefactory.co. Okay, this is where I find all my duotone template, and yeah, and this is where we start. So here are some suggestions for the duotones. These two different shades of blue. You can see. You can change it to this one. Yep. You can change it to this one, yellow. This is my favorite. Yeah, and then it's another color, and it's another different shade. So it's beautiful. These are things for you to explore. So in terms of Batman, I think it is closer to be something like this. Yeah, but we will see. So you have got a search for unsplash photo right off here. This is where I got my Batman. Yeah, originally from Unsplash. So all the Batman photos are all here. Yeah. So this is the one that I got, right? Okay, so let's click onto it. Now, so we're going to work on this duotone and see this would be the best color that is intended by the movie maker. The movie maker is bringing these color concepts of dark colors and red colors in order to bring out the theme of vengeance, fear, and this is what it's all about. So the entire movie is like that. So I think it would be a little bit more darker, yeah, something like this. But anyway, if you want to be so close, you can find out the hex code of both of them. So I'm pretty happy with this one. So when you're happy with this one, all you got to do is just click download. Yeah. So once you click download, it will download onto your computer, and then you can just bring it up to your Create Studio there and do the work. Otherwise, there's also other ways for you to do this. Okay, you don't want this one. You can also upload your own photo. Right here is the coolest, not colors, the COOLORS.co gradients. This is a very good resource. It's free, and it will give you a lot of ideas of the gradients that you can form. A lot of people are actually underestimating the gradient function in Create Studio. You can use this to create the beautiful backgrounds, colors, or even use this for shapes and whatever you want to do. So enter into this one, sign up, and there's a lot of tools for you to do. Yeah. So to choose the gradient, you see the gradient here is comprises of two different colors for you. So some are beautifully done like this. These two, yellow and orange. So this is the hex code. If you really like this one, yellow and orange, all you got to do is just click onto here, and it gets copied onto your clipboard. So when it gets copied onto clipboard, what you can do is that you go back to Create Studio and then paste it. Right, we are now in Create Studio. All right, let's start with a sample project and see how you can use this color to help you enhance and make this video or this image much better. All right, this is just a very common way of us doing it. Put the picture here and then centralize it and put the words there in the center, but this is boring. All right, so we're going to make this look even more interesting. So let me open this up and see what we can do. Okay. Now, how about we change it now with the background here with some gradient colors. So look at here, linear gradient, X code this now. Yep. And the second one, you can go back into here and copy the other one. Okay. Right? So you can have this color as well. But if you want to stay with the theme colors with the photographs and picture, this is what I suggested you can do. What you can do is actually bring in the color template, yeah, that you have imported in from the site just now. So I'm going to bring in the color template. Here we go. Right. So what you do is just add in and bring in the color template. And when the color template is here, just bring it up here and put the color template. You can add in as a SVG or just a PNG. Doesn't matter because you just only use this as a guide and not going to be stay here forever. So what you can do here is click back here on the background, go back here, and go back to the linear gradient. You see the first color. Let's say you want to use the first one on the lighter tone, maybe this one. Yeah, okay. Oops, sorry. Let's go back here You want to use the lighter tone, click on this teardrop. Okay, right. So you can have this color. And the second one, again, click on the teardrop, and maybe you want to have this color. So you see, it's more interesting now, right? Let me take this away. Yeah. So this is more interesting than the just the white one. And sorry, I bring back this color tab palette. You can even change the letters, okay? And maybe I want it to be like this brown color to match back here. And this one I can maybe change it to this one. Oh no, this is a bit too white already. Yeah, and maybe stick it back to white color. All right. So this gives you an idea to change this and make this more interesting. And let me take away this palette. Okay, while it's still here, you can add some enhancement to your picture. Maybe give it the border. I'll give it a white border with maybe about 15. Okay. That's looking good. Inside the border, maybe add some shadow. The dark shadow is a bit okay. And blur it for about 20. And then the upside, maybe about 20 and 20 here. Maybe you want to blur a bit more. Right. So this is looking good. Yeah. Something a bit more fresh compared to this one. This is boring, right? So this looks a bit much better. So you just add in the animations and then you'll be good to go, right? Now, besides that, now we go to number 3, step 3, a different way of actually making this even more interesting. Okay. I will select an image to work on. Right, let me see where my, okay. Here we go. Okay, so recently I posted, I make a post on this, on photo vibrance. So immediately when I put this in, it will give me a palette. See here? It will give me some suggestions of what to follow. And if you don't like this palette, you can always move this dot and he will change it into other palettes for you. See? Yeah, then you can have these selections of these 5. If you want more than 5, you can always add 6 colors, 7 colors, or 8 colors. Yeah, we give some suggestion. Yeah, so these are the combinations of colors if you like it. Yeah, so I reduce it to about 5. And once you're happy with the color palette, yeah, and the suggestions, or you just let them pick for you, then you can use it, and then you export it. Just click it, export. And when you export, there are many choices for you to export. I usually export in SVG. Yeah. So let me show you here. Now this is what I did. So what I did was I put some vertical bars here. Yeah. I just break this up, let's ungroup it. Okay. These are just all individual rectangles. So white, the background, the base is white, the background is white. So I created a few of these different sizes, all right? And then what I do is I bring in the palette, okay? And now with the palette, then I can play with these colors and put these colors into these vertical squares. So how to do it? Click on this vertical square, click here, and then put here, okay? Put the side, this one, this color, this one, oh, sorry, this one, and this one, picking this one, and this color. Oh, sorry, it's black. It's a bit black, and this one, and this color. And this one you can change it to this color. You can see. So now you have some vertical bars, and then you can put your pictures and stuff. I am thinking of actually changing it and maybe start with the darker color on the other side. Yeah, let's go back to this one. here, dark, and then next one goes for brown, and then the third one will go for this one, and then this one will go, yep, yep, like this. Or maybe this one change to the gray one. Yeah, and this one change it to this one. Okay, something like this. Yeah. So when you have this one, take away the palette, and now I'm going to bring back the picture inside. Isn't that look much better? Okay, this one you got to adjust it a bit here because it's coming out. And then lock that in, that'll be fine, right? So when you bring this in, add some border. Yeah, maybe about 15 or maybe a bit more for this one, 20. That looks cool. And I'm not going to add shadow to it. I just want to put it this way. And then we bring in the words, the text, right? Let's just type on text. So doesn't this look a bit better than the first one? And maybe even the text also, I may change the text. Yeah, I've got some favorite texts here. Let me see where my favorite texts are. This one. Yep, there we go. Let me see. Yep, it's only one type here. Ta-da! Okay, so this is looking way much better than the first one. The first one is so boring, right? Second one is a bit better, but third one, this looks spanky. All right, I hope that you have learned something from using colors and using the color palette to help you out in your design and whatever you're doing. So the next thing to do is add animations to this, and it will come with beautiful beautiful video, and you make your video much better and nicer. Thank you for watching.